Introducing the 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Jig Saw. It has a variable 6-speed control dial and delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. The no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces blade speed before it comes in contact with the workpiece for more accurate cutting starts. Convenience features include a large 2-finger trigger switch, a toolless blade change, built-in dual LED lights, and a heavy-gauge aluminum base. It has a compact and ergonomic design at 10.5 inches long and weighs only 5.8 pounds with battery. And with the efficient Makita brushless motor, you get longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The XV-J02 is compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, which have the fastest charge time in their categories. This tool is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and compact jigsaw with less vibration, so Makita answered with a 6.5 amp top-handle jigsaw. The JB0 600K delivers power and performance with less vibration in a more compact size. It has a powerful 6.5 amp motor, engineered to provide accurate cuts in a variety of materials, with a variable speed control dial to match the speed to the application, and a counterbalance system engineered inside the tool for less vibration. The saw has a well-balanced design that weighs only 5.2 pounds with an ergonomic rubberized soft grip and 2-finger trigger for increased comfort. Additional features include a convenient toolless blade change and a dust port for optimal dust management.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt MAX Lithium-Ion Jig Saw, PCC 650B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tool delivers a new dust blower to aid in clearing debris and maintaining visibility of cut, a variable speed trigger 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, 3/4-inch stroke, and 3 orbital settings deliver the cut quality across a variety of materials demanded by the tradesman. This tool also features a shoe that bevels 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts and comfortable over-molded grips to reduce vibration and fatigue while working. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack Lithium-Ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt Max Jig Saw combines cut quality, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
Get busy on your next project with the CRAFTSMAN corded 6-amp variable speed jigsaw. Featuring a variable speed trigger, this saw offers tremendous power and control. 4 orbital settings adjust aggressiveness depending on your material and application, while a beveling shoe lets you pivot for angle cuts. The contoured handle makes it comfortable to use, and when your workday is over, it's easy to store just within reach. Make accurate cuts with the CRAFTSMAN corded 6-amp variable speed jigsaw. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.